1990 F350 long bed dually with the 7.3 diesel. This is the LARIAT, so it does come with all the extra packaging, running boards. It comes with aftermarket Eagle alloy wheels. It's a little dusty, a little dirty, but you see how clean this paint is. The sun's not so forgiving here in California. A little faded on the top. It is a diesel. LARIAT XLT. Very complete. It's about as the baddest thing this interior has. It's not even bad at all. It's all complete. All the lights work inside and out. Has an aftermarket stereo with 12s in it. Very, very clean truck. I also have the molding that goes in there. Got it right over here. Have that slapped on right now. No cracks on dashboard. Door shut right and tight. More wear on the paint, a little bit more here. Shines just good though. A good set of tires. Cranks over just good. Put 2 batteries in it. Only needs an injection pump. Turns right on with starting fluid. Disconnected the injection pump and it's not injecting no fuel. Gonna be posting this up on eBay. Like what you see, bid with confidence, man. Clean title, tags up to date. Original California truck, so you get no rust. Very good looking truck. Only rust, surface rust. It's not even cancer. Nothing on the chassis. I'll upload pictures of all that. Little surface rust. No holes.